the previous module, we tried to understand what is blockchain in simple terms. In this module, we'll try to understand when and how it all started, history of blockchain, and some timelines. The concept of digital money has been around since at least 1980. Blinded cash, developed by American cryptographer David Chaum, BitGold, and B-Money are examples of attempts in this direction. However, they did not take off in a significant way. Then came blockchain, the technology designed to accomplish this goal. The history of blockchain started with the publication of a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. The identity of this person, or whether it's a group of people, is still not known, though there has been much speculation regarding the same. The paper described an electronic payment system based on cryptographic proof instead of trust. It used some of the elements of B-Money. It started simply as a system that was validated by computers in a network, also called a peer-to-peer network, without a central governance mechanism. Hence, the first blockchain was created in 2008-2009. The initial usage was to create the digital currency called Bitcoin. Since then, the use of this technology has expanded, both vertically and horizontally. Vertically, more and more digital currencies have been launched, 4,000 plus and still counting. Horizontally, blockchain technology is now used beyond cryptocurrencies in several industries. Since there's a common misconception that Bitcoin and blockchain are the same, it's better to differentiate between them at the outset. Blockchain is a technology, and cryptocurrency is a use case for that technology. Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies. Thus, Bitcoin can be understood as a cryptocurrency created using blockchain technology. We'll be studying these in more detail in subsequent sections. Here are a few landmark dates and events in blockchain history. 18/8/2008, registration of the domain name bitcoin.org. 31/10/2008, Bitcoin design paper published. 3/1/2009, the first block of Bitcoin blockchain was created. 9/1/2009, Bitcoin version 1 released. 12/1/2009, first Bitcoin transaction from the mysterious Satoshi to another person completed. The initial value of Bitcoin when it was launched was $0.06. In 2021, at its peak, the Bitcoin was valued at $65,000. For the next few years, blockchain continued to be used as a technology, principally for cryptocurrencies. However, people were already thinking of other possible use cases for the technology. In 2013, Ethereum was conceived as a programmable blockchain platform by Vitalik Buterin. It offered a significant smart contract functionality. We'll talk more about that later. Ethereum envisages a single programmable blockchain network on which different types of applications can be developed. Each application will take the form of a smart contract that is implemented in a programming language and deployed on the Ethereum blockchain network. The other key landmarks in the history of blockchain are 2013, first initial coin offering by Mastercoin. 2017, first use of non-fungible tokens by Larva Labs. NFT is a unique digital identifier that cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided, that is recorded in a blockchain and that is used to certify authenticity and ownership. 2018, the term DeFi, decentralized finance, was coined. To summarize this module, blockchain started in 2008 when Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper on bitcoins. Though blockchain technology was principally used for cryptocurrencies, other possible use cases for the technology have begun to emerge.